Ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bulavinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. Let me first take this opportunity to thank the village elders and the youths for a warm welcome. This afternoon, I'm also pleased to hand over the farming tools such as spades, forks, materials for the greenhouse, and seedlings, just to name a few. And I believe that this will definitely add the value to what you are already doing with your farm projects. We would like to see that our young Fijians value farming. And let us not forget that our parents and forefathers have worked very hard, and we, the children, must continue with that legacy. I would also like to acknowledge the contribution of the landowners and their understanding and the contribution that they made in providing consent for the farm project. Yesterday, I had handed over the same farming assistance to 5 youth clubs and 3 this morning. A total of 168 youth members will benefit over the course of my 2-day visit here in Ovalau, who have received the farming assistance. Yesterday afternoon, I was informed that there is around 15 more youth clubs who would like to join in this program. And we are awaiting the consent from the respective landowners. And once that is done, we will definitely help those 15 youth clubs as well. This process has involved the utilization of vacant land in rural areas for families. Our youths are now realizing the value of the land, rivers and seas as the foundation for their lives, and therefore be used as an income generator for our youths to meet their needs. Briefly, I just want to let you know on the policy of ministry in terms of funding. To access any grant from Ministry of Youth and Sports, the policy states that the youth club must be in place for 6 months. Then and only you can access grant or funding. But for this project, the Youth Farm Initiative project, we have removed that policy, that 6 months one. If you register your youth club today, if you have the relevant consent from the landowners, the next day you will have the assistance. The reason is because we cannot wait for 6 months. If we wait for 6 months, we don't know what will happen. And that is why this is an immediate assistance given to our youths, not only here, but throughout the country. We are doing the same program. So I thought that I will let you know about this program, this farm initiative program. The other one that will come in December, we will put the ad in the newspaper, that is for capital projects. And the value of that project would be $5,000. And I would like to urge the youths who are present here, especially the youth clubs, to start thinking about income generating projects that will assist you, your family and your communities. We have also opened up the office here. We have got 2 assistant youth officers based here to look after the youths of Ovalau. Please visit them or call them, they will come to you. The whole idea is for them to be at this location is to reach out to our youths. We have appointed 29 youth officers throughout the country, and the whole objective is to reach out to our youth, hear their views, hear their grievances, hear their needs, so that we can come up with some assistance for our youths to be engaged. That's the whole idea. So once again, I would like to thank the village elders for hosting us here, and also I believe one more youth club is here for the grant ceremony. I want to welcome you and want to say thank you for coming all the way from your village to be part of this ceremony. And I look forward for this project. We need to focus on this project. It's very important. This is just a start. And as I've said this morning, that my ministry officials will make a regular visit. We'll make a regular visit and will oversee the programs that we have initiated. And on the need basis, if you are in assistance that you will require in future, they will do a project proposal to the ministry, and we will come in and we will support and we will help. So don't think that this is just the end of it. We need to start, we need to focus on this project and make this one a successful program, not only for ministry, but for yourself. So once again, thank you so much, and Vinaka.